Hello everyone, I'm Gogi from Gogi and here is the Elements Lightning Cable Retractable Connector. This is made for iPod, iPhone and iPad. Here is the retractable cable with a nice glossy black plastic body. Build quality is very good. This is the USB point. And here is the Apple Lightning connector, which will work only with Apple products, the iPhones, iPad, iPod. Pull both sides to unveil the cable. It will automatically lock itself. Pull a little more and it will retract. You can use this to synchronize and charge Apple devices without any messy cables around. This is the maximum cable length. It's around 60 centimeters. This retractable lightning cable from Elements is available for $20.9.